Hey everybody, it's Jared at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Yamaha RMAX 2-seater Limited. We've just installed a bunch of accessories on it. Want to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. Starting on the front of the machine, yes, you've got that nice Warren 4500 on there that comes from the factory. We have installed the RYCO street legal kit on it, as you can see here. This is a great placement for those lights from RYCO. How does the street legal kit work? Very simple. Go down with the lever. You do have indicator lights up on the dash to let you know the turn signals are on. And of course, what we love about the RYCO kit is it does tie into those stock tail lights, utilizing all of those bright LEDs on the back, giving you great visibility going down the roadway. Not only from the back, but from the side as well. The RYCO kit also has the four-way hazard function. You're going to simply pull out on that lever. All four corners are going to illuminate. Looks awesome. And around the back side, to release the four-way hazard function, you're going to simply go up or down with this lever. Horn button integrated into the end. We've tied in the UTV Tech side view mirrors. What we love about these mirrors, they have a breakaway function. Smack a tree, pulling in somewhere tight, go ahead and fold those babies in. You've got a lot of field of view with this mirror. And of course on the Limited, it does come with that nice mirror from Yamaha. We've also paired this machine up with the full glass windshield from USA. What do we love about this one? Automotive glass, not going to scratch like a Lexan or polycarbonate, and you do have these awesome vents on the bottom to get you some airflow if needed. How do you get it? You're going to take your hand, loosen up this knob, bring that forward. You can lock that into any position. Passenger wants no air on them, no problem. Just leave theirs shut. Driver wants some air, open that baby up. We've also got windshield wiper on there from Tusk. On the back window, this is the rear window from Super ATV. This back window does have a slight tint to it. It's very optically clear, great quality product from Super ATV. It does seal up nice and tight along the top. Got some mounting points along the cage as you see here. And it fills in all the way to the bottom. Very nice. We've also paired the R1 whips on there. If you know anything about whips, you know R1 is a leader when it comes to lighted whips with their lifetime warranty. These whips are controlled with a remote. You can also do Bluetooth function as well. And we've mounted them onto the machine with the Tusk clamp. Looks nice on there. Great setup. As you know, the RMAX has been a phenomenal machine for us. You've got a great warranty. You've got a 10-year free replacement belt warranty on the machine. You know we're kicking butt with the extended warranty cells as well. You gotta love the Adventure Pro. Sound system from SSV Works. You've got the ability on the Limited to control the shocks right from within the cab. And the selectable drive mode switch makes this machine hard to beat. Oh yeah, and that cool interior cab lighting. What do you guys think? 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. If you've got any questions, give us a holler. If you'd like to order anything you see on this machine, we got it in stock. Have a great day, everybody. You know Ron and Tracy will.